Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do something a little bit different, not my usual look, but something fun and perfect for fall. I love the way this warm, shimmery, smoked out eye and ombre lip turned out, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's just jump right in. I'm first going to moisturize and prime my face. Then I just even out my skin tone with a medium to full coverage concealer. I'm focusing this on the T-zone and then using my foundation brush to blend this up and outward. I'm going to move on the eyes next and come back to the face after the eye. It just makes it easier to clean up any fallout, if any, later on. So I first prep my eye with a primer. Then I'm going to apply my cream shimmery eyeshadow on the outer corner, crease, and blending underneath the bottom lash line. I'm just going to soften and blend this out a bit more using a shift eyeshadow. So the base looks pink, but it has very fine gold flecks in it. So using a fluffy brush, I'm just placing this right over top, blending back and forth, corner to corner on the lid and crease. To really lighten and brighten that inner corner, I'm using a very light, shimmery champagne color. This is a liquid eyeshadow, so you're gonna get a ton of color payoff. I'm placing this right in the inner corner, blending about halfway onto the lid. Now using a deeper, darker magenta pinky tone, I'm placing this from the center of the eye and blending outward up and into the crease. Then I added a black eyeliner on the waterline, top and bottom, and mascara. I'm taking a chocolate brown directly on the outer V, blending right over top and into that eyeshadow we have in the center. This should give you sort of that fade or ombre from the lightest and brightest in the inner corner, the medium shade in the middle, and the deepest, darkest on the outer corner. To finish the eye, I'm just going to top this off with some false lashes and move on to the rest of my face. I'm going to quickly take an eyebrow pencil and just fill in my brows to help darken and thicken the natural shape. Then taking my concealer and a super tiny concealer brush, I'm going to carve out my brows just to clean up and sharpen the shape, but also to keep the brow bone light and bright. To add structure and more color and warmth to my face, I'm going to contour and add my cream blush. Everything will be listed down below per usual. If you want to know exactly what I'm using, you can check that out. But you can certainly mimic this look with anything similar that you already have. Then taking my highlight, I'm going to place this on the brow bone, down the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, and lips. To finish this look, I'm just going to use 3 different lip pencils to help create that ombre effect. So using the darkest, deepest tone, I'm first lining and slightly feathering this inward on top and bottom. Then taking my medium shade, I'm blending that over top the darkest, and then using the lightest shade, I'm going to focus this right on the center, top and bottom. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you're still subscribed to my channel so you never miss a new video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.